In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Google Slides. If your slides feel a little plain or inconsistent, changing the theme is the fastest way to give your entire presentation a polished, unified look. A theme controls background styles, font pairings, colors, and the overall visual tone, so updating it will refresh every slide at once without you having to edit each one manually. Once your presentation is open, look along the top toolbar for the slide menu. It sits alongside options like File, Edit, and View. Click Slide to open the dropdown, then choose Change Theme. This is the dedicated command that tells Google Slides you want to browse and apply a new design across your deck rather than tweaking individual slides. As soon as you select Change Theme, a Themes panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Think of this panel as your gallery of ready-made looks. You'll see a list of theme thumbnails, each representing a distinct style. Your current theme will be highlighted, and the rest are available for preview. If you don't immediately see something you like, scroll down the panel. There are often more options below the fold. Now comes the fun part. Click on the theme you want to apply to your presentation. The moment you click, your slides will update instantly. This live preview lets you judge the overall effect right away. Colors, fonts, and layout accents will shift to match the new theme, while your actual content stays in place. If the new look isn't quite right, no problem. Simply click another theme in the panel and compare. You can tap Undo if you change your mind, or keep browsing until you land on a style that suits your message and audience. As you evaluate themes, pay attention to readability and contrast. Make sure body text remains clear against the new backgrounds, and check that any charts or images still stand out. If your slides use custom colors or text sizes, the theme will do its best to harmonize them. However, heavily customized elements might not change completely, which is normal. The goal is to enhance consistency across the deck without disrupting your content. When you've found the perfect match, you're done. Your chosen theme is now applied presentation-wide. You can close or collapse the Themes panel to get more space and continue editing with your refreshed design. That's all it takes: slide, change theme, and a single click to transform your presentation.